Rikuzen-Yokoyama Station. Rikuzen-Yokoyama Station Lu Kaian Hengshanyi, Rikuzen-Yokoyama-eki, is a JR East Railway station located in the city of Tome, Miyagi Prefecture, Japan. The station was undamaged by the 2011 tsunami, however services have now been replaced by a provisional bus rapid transit line. Lines. Rikuzen-Yokoyama Station is served by the Kesenuma line and is located 22.3 rail kilometers from the terminus of the line at Miyagi Station. Station layout. Rikuzen-Yokoyama Station had one side platform. The station was unattended. This has been changed to a ground-level platform serving bus rapid transit service. History. Rikuzen-Yokoyama Station opened on December 11, 1977. The station was absorbed into the JR East network upon the privatization of the Japan National Railways (JNR) on April 1, 1987. Operations were discontinued after the 2011 Tohoku earthquake and tsunami. In 2018, the replacement bus rapid transit service was restored to a roadway on the former tracks. Surrounding area. Japan National Route 45, Yokoyama Post Office,